Pampaba.
Women, dati for
Am I right?
this is my not usual weekend because I rather sleep all day because of my night shift work. Just headed for a post-summer outing or reunion with my mom's high school batchmates because I treat them as one of my family na we have just a whole day of eating, bonding, chit-chatting, and swimming.
Daming pagkain. Salamat sa food. Ang sasarap.
Lagi naman.
Pampabata.
Fortunately, meron ako. So, yeah. Nag-chillax na lang ako sa room. I took a time for some treatments at Kenny. And yeah, thank you for Hashna for accommodating me as always. Then the night before, skincare routine, I started off for double cleansing my face, wipe it off with tissue, white wipes to wipe my face, and then cleansing. Afterwards, I put on some hydrocortisone cream which prevents itchiness on my skin. And then the fun part, putting on some sheet mask using the Balitan's face mask which I did pasabay from one of my closest friends who went to Korea. It's so refreshing and relaxing and it feels hydrating too, and I feel the lasting effect afterwards. The big day has arrived. I commuted all the way from our apartment to the heart of Makati at Big Studios. We're in an event for East Cosmetics launching their perfume line has been unfolded.
You're the sweet person, right? When you hug someone and amoy mo leather, alam mo, girl, hindi kita pwede awayin. It's so, I think, inevitable for us to go into fragrances. Today you'll be experiencing 3, all inspired by the word connection. But for now, take content and enjoy the space. Have a great time.
Thank you. It's so delightful and refreshing meeting new people and experiencing new scents, discovering how connection is made through the perfumes. It actually comes with 3 perfumes: scent of possibility, scent of intensity, and scent of familiarity. Onto this experience room where I definitely discovered which scent I will purchase. The scent of familiarity basically top notes are green apple and bergamot, and leaving base notes of iso, super, and musk, animalic musk. And the next one I tried, 492, the scent of possibility, with hint of jasmine, lemon blossom, lily of the valley, and base notes, white musk, and sandalwood. It's a mix of strong, clean, and the same time fruity, musky. Yeah. Okay.
Depende kung ano gusto mong piliin.
Where will I get the actual water?
Here.
On the other side.
Nandun yung cashier. Sila na bahala. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy.
Yeah, I'm into scents lately.
Perfect.
For the details known sa perfume na na-purchase ko yesterday dun sa Easy Event, so you can check it out sa TikTok. And then for now we have the Uniqlo haul. Whenever you purchase around 2,000 pesos, so you can get this drawstring collapsible bag. First item is this Jersey Easy Cargo Pants. This one's for house. Meron siyang pockets on the sides, on the thigh, leg area, one at the back area, and also dito sa sides. And second item, we've got myself naman women waffle easy pants. Very minimalist. Meron din siyang pockets sa sides. Ganda. Next up is this, actually from kids. This is mine. Yung largest size nila is 160. So, meron na ako nitong color black crew neck short sleeve t-shirt nila. Pang inner ko lang siya. So, I got myself a blue. Next item is this polo shirt for tops. Pag mag-RTO siya, it's a Aries and cotton pick polo shirt in dark gray. Ayan. Sobrang ganda. For the last item, pang inner ulit, pwedeng ito lang as is. Ang color nito ay brown. Women shearing boat net sleeveless top. Gusto ko yung yung texture para hindi pure na plain. Yung sa drawstring bag, ito yung kanyang lalagyan. Sabit sa bag mo, sa main bag mo. May nakalagay yun ito. Tingnan natin here. Yung nagkasya siya. Pag kayo mag-grocery or may bibiling kayo mga stuff sa mall, no extra charge kayo sa mga ikabag sa mga ibang establishment. Ganun.
Sa mga social media videos natin dyan sa mga reels.
So these are all the scents that I have lately. These are my daily. These are my special events, important days of my life. This is my after shower scent. This perfume is from Chirosa. Gifted from my mom last year, I think. Yan. So konti na lang siya. This is a recent purchase from Burberry, my Burberry Eau de Parfum. This is also actually a power scent. It gives a musky feel and then it subtles. Lastly, this Bath & Body Works Pure Wonder, also a fragrance mist, but it does stay on my skin for a longer time. It's actually gifted from my cousin from the US, and it smells similar to the Blooming Bouquet of Dior. Proceed on this more formal scents. I have here the Luxe Fragrances Secret Desire. It's actually kind of sweet. You know, sometimes you need to have a scent that gives a little bit of statement. This one is actually my super duper early birthday gift that I purchased from Carolina Herrera. It's the Good Girl Blush. It's color pink, but it's kind of a really nice color tone of pink. It's kind of like a beige. As you can see, their signature stiletto here with Carolina Herrera, and then you have to do is to like spray like this one. Good, like that one. It smells so good. The recent purchase I have is the Easy in 551 Scent of Familiarity. It's actually the most versatile and flexible scent. That's it for my scent, but I do have one. I'll just show a picture here. Like, this is the Tory Burch in color blue. It's actually a very clean, showery scent. I think parang pinull out na ni Tory Burch. Buti na lang nakakuha pa ako na scent nila.